The recording of this race is sponsored by JB Transmission. Specializing in foreign and domestic repairs, trust JB for all your performance needs. Check us out at www.jbtransmission.com or visit us at 256 St. Mary's Road in Winnipeg. This video production is sponsored by RD Sales and Service Limited. We service what others sell. For all mechanical repairs, trust our professionals. RD Sales and Service is a proud sponsor of the number 17 Super Truck and Sprint Car.
I don't know why we're not. All right. Okay, so the sprint cars are coming out after the late model B features, the last chance races. Top 3 out of each of those B mains make it into the A main. So everybody that didn't make it through their qualifying heat races want to get into the top 3 in their last chance race. Green flag, the Enns Brothers 18 is your leader. Lee McCrae in the pink 17 at second spot. Lee started in the 3rd position and he's challenging the leader already. Leader loops it in front of the field. He keeps it going. Your new leader is Lee McCrae. Why is there? The number 18 couldn't start till the yellow came out. Well, in the heat races, normally if you cause a yellow flag in the heat race, you go to the pits. We'll see if that's the call tonight. Meanwhile, let's line them up so we can go racing next time. Shall we? Two-lap heat race, the 17. The 04. Wayne Grosky with the restart lead, and we are ready to go. Lineup is good. 6 laps up on the Pepsi board. Wayne Grosky will bring him to the green in the GW Transmission 04. We look them over and we're about to go green. Green flag, we're back to racing. Well, Lee McCrae puts the 17 up front. Here comes Wayne Grosky in the GW 04. Right back after the leader with a little push in turn 3. That allows Grosky to get up door to door in turn 4 in the 04. In the R&D Sales number 17, your leader is Lee McCrae. Your feature winner from last Thursday night, I believe. No, 2 Thursdays ago, pardon me. Jim Hunter making a play on second. Grosky doesn't like that. The 04 and the 4 do battle as they head down into turn number 1. Grosky with a firm hold on second spot. The Keewatin Truck Service 44 of Jim Hunter looking to move into that number 2 position. He's good going into the corners, but Grosky shuts the door on him. That's what you call a good old-fashioned block right there. Didn't work though. Jim Hunter gets the 44 truck past him for the number 2 spot. Grosky goes low on the inside of the 44, and he tries that second spot, but not this time. Your leader is running away. Lee McCrae, the R&D Sales number 17. Second, it's Jim Hunter in the Keewatin Truck Service West End Radiator. E1 Fire Trucks number 44. Third, it's the 04 of Wayne Grosky, and the 4th and final spot occupied by the 55 of Murray Cozy. White flag out for your leader, Lee McCrae. Coming through 3 and 4, the leader 17, Lee McCrae started 3rd, grabbed the checkered and now takes about a half a straightaway, and he takes the checkered. Lee McCrae grabs the checkered flag. They will need to cross the scale, the hot and fresh pizza scale. As you can see, it is the trucks, the top 3 in the heat races need to scale the top 5 in the features. And in the truck division, they can weigh no less than 2,800 pounds. Heat number 2 rolling out of the staging area, and starting on the pole, it's the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2, last week's feature winner, Jamie Vernaus. To his outside, the number 921 is Rick Fair. To his inside, another motocross racer, the number 92, Cord Allard. Outside of Cord Allard is the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2 of Derek Pollock, number 1, I'm sorry. And on the third and final row by his lonesome, it's Don Gio. And we are ready to go racing. Green flag. We're back to on the track and go racing. I love it.
You got it, Pat. We're going to go with 2 10-lap last chance showdowns. The top 3 drivers will move on. And with 16 cars locked in right now, that means first, second, and third will start 17th, 19th, and 21st in the feature tonight. There's just a couple of cars in the points right now, Jack Sullivan and Jill George, that have not gotten in yet. If one or both of those cars get in, we're going to go to the qualifiers. Fastest that didn't get in through either the heats or these last chance showdowns. So it's going to start getting interesting.